Hey guys, so today I have got a ginger red Coffin box to show you. This only just arrived, but I think that this is the January box. I'm pretty sure I've not done one yet this year, so this is January. For anyone that hasn't seen me open this before, it's $34.99. It's an American box. Obviously I'm in the UK, so there is extra postage, but I'll try and put as much info down below as I can. And I do also have a discount code, which is LunaLily, for $5 off your first box if you want to try this as well, so that's pretty cool. So the theme for this month I think is Plague Doctor. I do follow them on Instagram and I'm pretty sure that is... Okay, so the theme is the Doctor is in, so it is like a Plague Doctor kind of theme. You could use this as a little print if you want, but it's just like the card that tells you what is in there. Then we've also got this little card as well. I will hold it up if you want to pause and read what it says. I'm not going to read it out, but there is this. And then I will show you what is in here. So, the first thing right on the top is two little stickers. They're both the same. They say Plague Doctor be healthy. They're just kind of like little vinyl stickers. So there's those. Then the next thing is a little tiny packet of Sour Patch Kids, which looks like this. Then we have a little keyring, like a little bag charm kind of thing, and it's a black furry fluffy pom-pom, and it's got this little like Plague Doctor circle. I actually originally thought that this was a nail file, but it is just like a little design. Not sure how I feel about this part. I might take that off and just use the little fluffy black part, but it's pretty cute though. So there is that. Then next we have a little necklace, which is a black chain with this circle kind of resin looking Plague Doctor on the bottom. I will take it out so you can see how it looks up close. It's pretty cute. Probably not something that I would wear personally, but I know my camera light is shining on it, which isn't very helpful, but that's what it looks like. And it's on quite a long chain. Then we have a little pin, an enamel pin, which is of a Plague Doctor. I actually bought this for my boyfriend once, so I have already had one of these, but at least I've got one now, so that's pretty cool. Then I've got the Seasons Creepings car air freshener from last month's box that was missed out. So, I mean, it is a little late to use this really now, but it's just like a circle with some candy canes on it and stuff. I can't really smell it. It says it's pine scented, but that is that anyway. Next is our gemstone or crystal for the month, and this one is a selenite. I feel like that's pretty much the only crystal I've been getting lately for some reason. So this is like a little ball circle kind of one. And the description says, selenite works quickly by helping to shed those anxieties and worries that can weigh down the heart. This is a stone that loves to be light, that wants to grow wings and does not desire any kind of anchor or tie from catastrophic thinking. To help separate from tangled thoughts, selenite first starts with alleviating burdened thinking by providing crystal clear clarity. It helps with becoming aware of your surroundings so you can work through complex decisions. It's a stone that promotes honesty, purity and liberation while bringing forgiveness to situations that are no longer serving you. This makes selenite exceptionally helpful in group work where team building and working together to meet common goals is absolutely necessary. So that is our little ball of selenite. And then we've got two items left, which are my two favourite items in this box. But this next one is a big candle. So it says Plague Doctor on the front, and then it has the same kind of design on the top. Last time we got one of their candles, it smelled incredible, so I've got high hopes for this. It says the fragrance is jasmine, black and red currants, peach, tonka, amber, black tea and anise. So that sounds pretty good, I feel like. Let's have a see. Okay, so it's another black kind of grey candle, the same as last time. And it smells amazing. Oh, I half want to eat it and half want to wear it as a perfume. I hope that one of the next boxes has this as a perfume like they did with the candle last time, because it smells amazing. It's like fruity, deep, like a deep amber fruity sort of smell. Super, super nice. So there is that. And then the last thing we've got in here is a face mask. Now this lady does actually watch my videos, and I know that last time she said her little bow was in the last box. That wasn't my absolute favourite just because I don't wear bows, but I will definitely be wearing this. This is really cool. It's got little Plague Doctors on it. I'm not sure if it's necessarily the most appropriate thing right now, but you know what? Most of my face masks have like creepy stuff on them anyway, so okay, so one side is plain black and then the other side is the Plague Doctor design. I will put it on to show you what it looks like. Try and not touch my makeup. So that is what that looks like. I know a lot of countries are different, but in the UK right now you've got to wear a face mask to go pretty much anywhere, into shops, all that kind of stuff. And I kind of like wearing them because I don't always have makeup on, so it hides my face. But yeah, definitely my favourite item in the box. And yeah, that was everything in the January's Gingerbread Coffin box. So I will quickly put it all back together again and then show you it all at once. So there was the Plague Doctor face mask, the little Seasons Creepings car air freshener from last month's box that we didn't get, the Selenite crystal, the little vinyl stickers, the enamel pin, put down there, the little necklace, the fluffy little pom-pom keyring or bag charm, the little mini Sour Patch Kids, and the big candle. So all of these things in the January Gingerbread Coffin box. I will put all the information down below for them in case you want to go and check them out, and I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.